I'm in Cambridge and it's lift tour time for some really nice glass EcoDiscs in John Lewis.
Doors open. Doors closed. Doors open. Doors closed. Doors open. Doors
And now to the EcoDiscs to the car park. Not all lifts go to all floors. The first one goes to the basement, but it only goes as far as floor 2. And now to the next EcoDisc. This one goes all the way to floor 6, but it doesn't go to the basement. And now to the next EcoDisc. This one goes to all floors.
Doors closed. Doors open. Going down. Doors closed.
And now to the Stanner lift in Sports Direct.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Basement. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up. second floor, doors opening,
And now to the EcoDisc in new look. This lift has incorrect floor numbering. -1 is actually the ground floor. The ground floor is actually first floor and the first floor is actually the second floor. In this lift, -1, which is the ground floor, is locked, as this shop doesn't actually go to the ground floor. This lift opens both sides. But this lift handles this differently to what EcoDiscs normally do. Normally in an EcoDisc, if you press a button for the side which is locked for a particular floor, the lift won't move. But in this lift, if you press a button for the side which is locked, the buttons for both sides all light up and the lift will only realise one of the sides is locked when it's actually got to the floor.
First floor. Going down. Ground floor.